Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I'd like us to start off our analysis with a chart on my screen. This is gold. We're going to look at the 1 hour time frame. At the same time, we're going to scale to even higher time frames. So we have a very good resistance zone here. This is the first one, the initial one. We have another resistance here. We have another resistance, and we have another resistance here. Then we have a very good support zone here. So if the price can move upwards and touch this line, these two zones, then that should give us the best place to look for a sell from. So we're just waiting to see what happens. If the price can go up and touch that line, somewhere in between this red line, then this should be a good place to look for a sell from. But if the price moves downwards and touches the lower zone, which is this one, this is a good place to look for a buy from. If that zone is broken, the next zone to look for a buy from is 1976.88, 1972.47. So you either wait and buy it here, or you may wait and buy it when the price touches this zone here. The next chart is GBP USD. With the GBP USD so far, we are looking at a very good resistance zone. We are looking at a very good resistance zone on the 4-hour time frame. We have this resistance. This is the main one, and then we have a very good support zone here. We have another support zone here. So those are the only few levels that if the price can go up to, then we're going to be interested in a position. So as long as the price does not descend below the lower zone, this one, it is a good place to look for a buy from. And as long as the price does not ascend above this upper zone, then this should be a good place to look for a sell from. So if the price ascends above it, above 1.285, then that will be a good sign that we're now continuing to the upper side. Therefore, we expect that the buyers are going to be in full control to continue pushing price even higher. If we look at the same chart on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see that then there's not much happening. We have just a very good support. We have a support, and there is a support, a resistance zone here. This has not been drawn, but it is a very good resistance zone. So if the price can move up and touch this line, this should give us the best place to look for a sell from. In case the price ascends above it, then we will expect it to continue upwards up to around 1.28274. In case the price ascends above it, that will be a good sign that we are now continuing even higher. So that should be my opinion on that chart. The other chart I want us to have a look at is Euro USD. With the Euro USD so far, we have a very good resistance here. This is a very good resistance zone. We have resistance. We have a very good support here. We have another very good support here. So in case the price moves downwards and touches this zone, this will be a good place to look for a buy from. And in case the price touches the upper zone, this will be a good place to look for a sell from. So you either wait and sell it here, or you may wait and sell it here, or you may wait and buy it here, or you can as well wait and buy it when the price touches this zone here. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen so far, we are looking at a very good resistance zone. We have a very good support zone, and we have a very good support zone here. So you either wait and buy it here, or you may wait and buy it here, or you may wait and buy it when the price touches this level, or you may wait and pick a sell when the price touches this level. If it does not break above it, this will be a good place to look for a sell from. So in case it ascends above it, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. And in case the price goes below this zone, it will be a good sign that we are now continuing downwards up to the next zone, which is this one. If the price descends below it, then that will be another sign that we are now continuing downwards up to the next zone, which is this one here. So that should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.